Ladies and gentlemen, I once again welcome you all to Exclusive, Escort's annual innovation platform delivering disruption year on year. Exclusive 2017, we gave the compact electric tractor concept to the world, which has become a reality across countries, offering value to global agriculture today. Exclusive 2018, we gave autonomous tractor concept, giving shape to precision agriculture across sections of applications. India is on the cusp of technology transformation, and it requires innovation to become a nation of global thinking. Brands today have a larger responsibility to create technologies of future and present disruption. The focus of an infrastructural development, urban and rural connect, transportation ease, and logistical support to rural farming and haulage and efficient construction equipment technology requires state-of-the-art innovation. Aligned to national development, Exclusive 2019 is yet another path-breaking year for us when we give to the world an exclusive preview of hybrid tractor technology for agriculture precision space, hybrid backhoe technology for smart construction equipment space, and one of the path-breaking concepts for rural transport vehicle (RTV). Well, 3 years back, Escorts demonstrated its diversified portfolio of hydrostatic, mechanical, and electrical transmission in tractor technology. And today we became a global innovation player by offering electric, autonomous, and hybrid agriculture technology under one roof. Escorts since decades have been a cause-oriented engineering conglomerate, strengthening mechanized agriculture, robust construction equipment technology, and state-of-the-art safety and comfort technology for all rail transport at global footprint. Our innovation extensions are touching many a facet, be it product technology, service excellence, digital interface, and even technology-driven customer connect. In addition to all product tech transmissions, we have revolutionized service excellence with Care Button, a 24/7 service platform, guaranteeing service connect of 2 minutes. We exclusively offer doorstep service interface. We have institutionalized an online tractor sales platform, DigiTrack, along with application-based crop advisory and related intelligence platform. We have Uberized the tractor consumption model through Traxi. We have introduced rental equipment farming model through Escorts Crop Solutions. We have also revolutionized 48-hour genuine spare part delivery model, and also shortly establish a robust on-ground activation of used tractor sales. We have also established an innovation lab under our late chairman, RNIL, to explore beyond horizon technologies and ideas and incubate them to maturity. Our Japanese collaboration with Kubota and Tadano will enable us to develop technologies with utmost quality and engineering powers. Ladies and gentlemen, we are a bunch of dreamers, hungry base of engineering setup, a frugal innovative ecosystem who will continue to offer to the world the most advanced and customer-centric disruptive technology solutions for enhanced productivity and efficient across application sectors. In short, Exclusive will keep on surprising you with year-on-year innovation, which will set new technology benchmarks in the field of digital agriculture, smart construction, and safe rail transport. Because at Escorts, we refuse to be ordinary.